Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to Valve Stem Renewal. Every car owner knows the importance of maintaining their vehicle for safety and performance. One often overlooked component is the tire valve stem, a small but critical part that ensures your tires stay properly inflated. Every car owner knows the importance of maintaining their vehicle for safety and performance. Replacing them typically involves removing the tire, but with the right approach, you can renew your valve stems without this hassle. Why valve stems matter? Valve stems are the gateways to your tire's air pressure. They allow you to inflate or deflate tires and maintain optimal pressure for fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and safe handling. A worn-out valve stem can lead to slow leaks, causing underinflation, uneven tire wear, or even blowouts. Renewing them proactively ensures your tires perform reliably, saving you from costly repairs or dangerous situations. This method is especially appealing because it skips the time-consuming process of tire removal, making it accessible for every car user. Tools and materials needed. To renew your valve stems, you'll need a few basic items. A valve stem puller tool, a replacement valve stem, ensure it matches your tire type, a valve core removal tool, a tire pressure gauge, and some lubricant like soapy water. These are affordable and available at most auto parts stores or online. No advanced mechanical skills are required, just a willingness to follow straightforward steps. Always double-check that your replacement valve stems are compatible with your vehicle's tire size and type for a seamless fit. Step-by-step renewal process. Start by parking your car on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake for safety. Use the valve core removal tool to carefully unscrew and remove the valve core from the existing stem, releasing the air. Deflate the tires slightly to reduce pressure, but don't fully deflate it to avoid rim damage. Next, apply a small amount of soapy water to the new valve stem's base for lubrication. Using the valve stem puller tool, insert the new stem through the rim's valve hole from the inside, pulling it into place until it snaps securely. Reinsert the valve core, inflate the tire to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, and check for leaks with soapy water. Bubbles indicate a poor seal, so reposition if needed. Benefits of this method. Renewing valve stems without removing the tire saves time, money, and effort. You avoid the cost of professional services, which can range from $20 to $50 per tire, and the process takes less than 30 minutes per tire. It's a DIY solution that empowers car owners, from daily commuters to weekend road trippers, to maintain their vehicles confidently. Plus, it extends tire life, improves fuel economy, and enhances safety, making it a win for every driver. Final tips for success. Always inspect your valve stems during routine tire checks for signs of wear, like cracks or air leaks. Work in a well-lit area, and don't rush the process to ensure a proper seal. If you're unsure about compatibility or technique, consult your car's manual or a trusted mechanic. With this method, you'll keep your tires road-ready, ensuring a smooth, safe ride every time. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.